Hi guys, so today we are going to learn the structure of nephrons. So nephrons are the tiny structures which are present in kidneys, and these are responsible for the formation of urine. Okay, let us see the structure of nephron. So nephrons consist of mainly two parts. One is Malpighian body. Another one is renal tubule. So Malpighian body and renal tubule. So let us see first one, Malpighian body. So this Malpighian body, it composed with mainly here two parts. One is glomerulus. Another one is Bowman's capsule. So glomerulus and Bowman's capsule together they form Malpighian body. So this Malpighian body and renal tubule together it form a nephron. Okay, so let us see first Malpighian body. So this Malpighian body composed with glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. So Bowman's capsule is a cup-shaped structure. It is a cup-shaped structure. Look at the board. It is cup-shaped structure. It will be like this. And the walls of this cup-shaped structure, this is made up of some epithelial tissues or epithelial cells. So these epithelial cells which are present at the walls of the Bowman's capsule we call as podocytes. So these cells we call as the podocytes. So Bowman's capsule made up of some epithelial cells called podocytes. In between these podocytes, so small pores are present. Between these podocytes, small pores are present. Okay. So here we know that renal artery bring blood to the kidneys. Okay. So after entering into the kidney, it branches off into small arterioles. So that arterioles, we know that arterioles enters into the cortex. In the cortex region, we have this Bowman's capsule. So one of that arteriole, it enters into the cup like Bowman's capsule. So that one blood arteriole, an arteriole enters into the Bowman's capsule and form a network of blood capillaries. A tuft of blood capillaries it forms. It will form. Then it leaves the Bowman's capsule as afferent arteriole. So which enters into the Bowman's capsule, that arteriole we call as a afferent arteriole, which leaves the, after formation of this glomerulus, which leaves the blood vessel, we call as a efferent arteriole or efferent arteriole. Okay. So here that tuft of capillaries which formed by the afferent arteriole in the Bowman's capsule, that we call as a glomerulus. What is this? Glomerulus. And what is this? This one is a Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. So this glomerulus and Bowman's capsule together we call as Malpighian body. So Malpighian body consists of glomerulus, which is formed by the afferent arteriole, and Bowman's capsule, which is made up of podocytes. Okay, so this is Malpighian body. The next one is a renal tubule. So this renal tubule, it consists of three distinct parts. It consists of three distinct parts. One is, so here it starts, so this Bowman's capsule, it opens into a convoluted tubule. So this convoluted portion is located very close to the glomerulus. So this convoluted portion of the renal tubule we call as a proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal PCT. Proximal convoluted tubule. Okay. Then this proximal convoluted tubule, it opens into a narrow hairpin-like structure. Narrow hairpin-like structure. This narrow hairpin-like structure we called as loop of Henle. Loop of Henle. Loop of Henle. Then this loop of Henle again opens into some convoluted structure. Again it opens into some convoluted structures. This convoluted tubule we call as a distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubule. DCT. Distal convoluted tubule. It opens. This first convoluted portion we call as a PCT. Proximal convoluted tubule. And then U-shaped or hairpin-like structure we call as a loop of Henle. Then again there are some convolutions in a tube. That portion we call as a distal convoluted tubule. So here proximal means very near to the glomerulus. Distal means away from the glomerulus. Okay. So this is the basic structure of a nephron. So this is Malpighian body and this is a renal tubule. So this distal convoluted tubule finally it opens into collecting duct. Collecting duct. Collecting duct. Okay. So like this, many nephrons, they opens into collecting ducts. So one more nephron opens into this, another nephron here, and one more nephron. Like this, they opens into what? Collecting ducts. All the distal convoluted tubules opens into collecting ducts. Now you see the blood flows through the afferent arteriole into the glomerulus. Here in the glomerulus the blood filters and waste materials removed, and that goes into the Bowman's capsule. Then from here PCT, then loop of Henle, then it enters into the DCT, distal convoluted tubule, then it enters into the collecting ducts. So these collecting ducts are present in medulla region. We have pyramid-like structures. Renal pyramids are present. So these all the collecting ducts form renal pyramids in the medulla region. So renal pyramids. So that renal pyramids opens into what? We discussed in the last video, that they opens into this renal pyramids. For example, this renal pyramid, and this opens into here. All the collecting ducts will be, all the collecting ducts together it form renal pyramid. So from here what happens, below that we have calyx like structures called calyces. calyces. So that calyces together they form pelvis. Okay, so renal pelvis. From the pelvis they opens into the ureters. From the ureters, urinary bladder. From urinary bladder to that means it opens out through urethra. Okay, here urine form. That urine travels through the proximal convoluted tubule, then distal convoluted, loop of Henle, then distal convoluted tubule, then collecting ducts. All the collecting ducts will be in the renal pyramid. Then they enter into the calyces. Then that calyces leads to pelvis. Then that pelvis leads to ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. Okay, so like this it will be. And one more thing. Here this blood vessel, efferent arteriole. This efferent arteriole, after coming out from the Bowman's capsule, it forms a network of capillaries around this tubular structure. Around this tubular structure, this we call as a peritubular network. This we call as a peritubular network. This is peritubular network. Peritubular network. So the blood capillaries which are present in the peritubular network, they join with each other and form venule. So from all that means from all the few nephrons venules together they form. So all the nephrons venules they form a vein called a renal vein. So all the peritubular network consists of the blood capillaries which formed by the efferent arteriole, and they join with each other and form a renal vein. Okay, so this is the structure of nephron in this. So these are the parts, mainly here these are the parts. What are that? Bowman's capsule and glomerulus. Together we call it Malpighian body, proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule. They are located in that means here, this region. If we take this, if we consider this as one renal pyramid, above this cortex is present. So they are present in the cortex region. These are present in cortex region. Okay, and this, what is this? Loop of Henle and collecting ducts. They are located in the renal pyramids. Okay, so this is the structure of nephron. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss how this nephron filters blood and form urine. Okay, thank you.